Ever feel like you need a supercomputer to understand what's going on in politics? Well, we built one. Meet the Kronos 9000, the most advanced analytical AI ever created. We fed it quantum physics, ancient philosophy, the entire stock market history. It solved everything in minutes. Then, we gave it a real challenge, Pakistani politics. And this happened. Yep, that's our multi-trillion-dollar AI, literally blowing a fuse trying to figure out who's in which party this week. It's been trying to create a stable predictive model for 3 days straight, and the only thing it's predicted is its own system failure. But why is it so comically complicated? Let's break it down. First, you have the sheer number of political parties. It's not just 2 or 3 main players. You've got dozens, each with its own history, its own base, and its own, let's call it, flexible ideology. Our AI tried to map the alliances, but the chart started to look less like a political diagram and more like a plate of spaghetti after an earthquake. Then there's the political discourse itself. One day, 2 leaders are at each other's throats, vowing to never, ever work together. The next week, they're sharing a cup of tea, announcing a grand coalition to save the nation. The AI's logic circuits just can't process this level of unpredictability. It's programmed for data and patterns, not for the high-stakes drama and last-minute plot twists that would make a blockbuster movie jealous. Let's not forget the news cycle. It's a 24/7 roller coaster. One headline says the economy is soaring. The next says it's on the brink of collapse. A politician is celebrated as a hero one morning and declared a villain by evening. The AI tried to analyze the sentiment, but its processors overheated trying to keep up with the whiplash. It flagged the data as chaotic neutral with a high probability of memes. And the memes. The internet culture surrounding Pakistani politics is a universe in itself. Every press conference, every slip of the tongue becomes a viral sensation within minutes. Our poor AI tried to understand the cultural context behind a picture of a politician with a cat filter. It's still processing. The humor, the satire, the inside jokes. It's a language that no machine can learn. It is a language spoken from the heart by a public that has learned to find laughter in the middle of the chaos. So, is it impossible to understand? Of course not. But it requires something more than algorithms and processing power. It requires a human touch. It requires an understanding of culture, history, passion, and a good sense of humor. The political landscape is a living, breathing thing, constantly changing, always surprising, and deeply human. That's why even the most advanced AI in the world short circuits when it tries to neatly box it all up. It's a beautiful, frustrating, and endlessly fascinating mess. And honestly, we wouldn't have it any other way. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed seeing our AI have a meltdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments what we should make our AI analyze next. See you in the next video.